Remove all components from a box. Install the pump cover. Install the sponge. Soak the pump under the main unit before use. Water supply check upon startup. Fill the tank with pure drinking water to 2/3 of its volume. Rinse the filter for 10 seconds. Wet the pump base, turn it on, and check for water supply. Install the filter with the flat side facing up and the convex side facing down. Install the top cover of the water tank. Place the stainless steel tray into the tank cover. Load to use. Motion sensor operates at 120 degrees, 1.2 to 1.5 m. Water supply every 30 minutes. Insert the USB cable into the charging port. After connecting to the power supply, water flows continuously for 24 hours. Rinse the filter for 10 seconds. Turn off the power. Drain the water from the tray. Remove the stainless steel water tray. Open the filter container. Remove filter. Install the filter with the flat side facing up and the convex side facing down. Put everything back in the original order. Put everything back in the original order. Include